Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology effectively. To truly excel, begin by grasping the fundamental concepts rather than just memorizing facts. Actively engage with your study materials through various techniques, ensuring deeper understanding. Consistent review is crucial for solidifying your knowledge and improving long-term recall. This approach will build a strong foundation for all your biology studies. Active learning is key to mastering biology. Try drawing detailed diagrams and flowcharts for processes like photosynthesis or cellular respiration. This visual aid helps immensely. Explaining concepts aloud, as if teaching someone, reveals gaps in your understanding. Furthermore, consistently solving practice questions and past papers will familiarize you with question styles and reinforce your knowledge effectively. To achieve true concept mastery, break down large, complex topics into smaller, more digestible sections. This makes daunting subjects less overwhelming. Always strive to connect new information with what you have already learned, building a cohesive knowledge network. Using flashcards for key definitions and biological terms is an excellent way to reinforce memory and ensure you understand the precise language of biology. For long-term retention, consistent review is paramount. Schedule regular study sessions, perhaps 3 times a week, to revisit material. Frequently test your knowledge through self-quizzing or practice tests. This helps pinpoint areas needing more attention. Finally, ensure you get adequate rest. Sleep plays a vital role in consolidating memories and improving your ability to recall information when it matters most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.